Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign a document in DocuSign. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is head on over to DocuSign.com and sign into your account or create a new account. Once you've done that, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. From here where it says get started, we want to go ahead and click on where it says sign or get signatures. So click on that sign button. Now I'm going to use this sample agreement that I generated with ChatGPT. So here it is here. I'm just going to go view. Now I want to go ahead and show you how to sign inside these boxes. Now we can add recipients if we like. So I'm the only signer, or we can add a message if we like. So we can put an email subject, an email message, etc. Then from here we got the envelope type, so we got non-disclosure, NDAs, vendor agreements, etc. Now from here I want to go ahead and click on that sign button on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Then you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and it'll say apps.docusign wants to know your location. You can allow if you like, or just click out of it. Now from here, you go ahead and click on your signature and then move the signature to party A or party B or wherever you like to sign. We can also initial stamp it, date signed, put your name, company title, text checkbox, and once you've done, go ahead and click on finish.